Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thanks be to Almighty Allah for this beautiful religion that is Islam. God the Almighty, when He tells you to do something, He also tells you how you are going to do it. Whatever you are going to do in terms of worship, as far as Islam is concerned, it has to be in conformity with the way the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has done it. So we need to be conscious of what we do at any point in time, more especially in the month of Ramadan. All that we do should be in conformity with the way the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ did it. Let's take the sahur as an example, the pre-dawn meal that we take at dawn. There are people who say they don't feel hungry at that time, or they are okay even if they didn't take anything at dawn before they start their fasting. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "Tasahharu fa inna fi sahuri barakah." Take the pre-dawn meal because there are a lot of blessings in the pre-dawn meal. So we have to take our pre-dawn meal before the commencement of the period of the fasting, before the Fajr appears. If we do that, we are applying the Sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ in doing our fasting. And that is how we have to act. We as Muslims, we have to obey God, but through the way the messenger of God, who is Muhammad ﷺ, has brought to us, based on what Allah the Almighty has showed him to be given to us. So let's make sure we always apply the Sunnah of the Prophet. It is part of the Sunnah to take the pre-dawn meal before you start your fasting. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.